Each year, Americans alone use 4.6 million pounds of gift wrapping paper to the tune of $7 billion, half of which ends up in the landfill. Commercial gift wrapping paper is often laminated with plastic, and all of these shimmery, glittery things release microplastic in the environment. So what does that mean? We give up on gift wrapping altogether? Not quite. Sustainability does not mean we give up on little joys of life. There are several sustainable gift wrapping options. Join me. You can wrap odd-shaped or cylindrical gifts like these even wine bottles. Make a little bonbon. See, because I use recycled ribbons, they will come with knots and nicks like these. Another one. Here. And cut the edges into fringes. You can even do this earlier. Similarly, you can use these kind of tubes that you get out of your aluminium foils, the infamous toilet paper. You can put your trinkets here and make bonbons. You can use old maps, brochures, catalogs. I saved this beautiful picture from a photo frame that I bought. So I'll use this for wrapping this gift. And you can dress this up with a couple of paper boats. For instance, if the recipient is going on a cruise, she might like a couple of paper boats here. So let me show you how to make paper boats. If you do not know already, all of us have made paper boats in our childhood. Take a rectangular piece of paper, plain paper, or maybe recycled brochures and pamphlets. Fold in half. Fold the top corners. Single fold the bottom corner. the top. Open up and you get something like this. Hold once more. And on the other side, your paper boat is nearly ready. Open this and open the creases with your nails. There you go. Your paper boat is ready. Fill it up with chocolates, for instance. Experiment with your origami skills. So take paper bags like these. This paper bag has an interesting print. I got a souvenir from Amsterdam, and you can see the windmill, the tulips, the cow. So I'll recycle this. So let me put something here, maybe a few blocks for an artist friend of mine, and then pleat the top part and make a couple of holes with a hole punch. Now, do you always have to use paper for gift wrapping? Says who? Use cloth, fabric, tea towels, scarves to gift wrap your prezzies. No, this is not Samita's invention. This is the ancient Japanese art of furoshiki, gift wrapping with cloth, with scarf, with a piece of fabric, with towel. All of these can be used later. Take a scarf, preferably square, and place your gift in the center. Take the two corners and tie a knot. Take the other two corners and tie another knot. I quite like the swirly bits, and if you want, you can dress it up with a little bit of ribbon. So this scarf that you are using for gift wrapping can be reused as scarf, as gift wrap, or even fabric. Here you are. You can have the simple joy of giving and receiving beautifully wrapped gifts without destroying the environment and save a few pennies in the process. Pennies that add up to dollars. Coming up next on Learn with Samita, sustainable Christmas decor. Oh yes, before I go, I must remind you, do not forget to subscribe. If you subscribe and comment on any one of our videos, you will go into a draw to win one of the 5 gift hampers. Winners will be drawn when Learn with Samita reaches 5,000 subscribers. And that, my friends, is not very far away.